Welcome back to the greenhouse. Today we are talking about leeks real quick. I wanted to share a quick video on leeks. We've got all of these wild ramps or leeks that have been growing in the greenhouse for about 3 years or so, 3.5 years, and they've got a well-established bed, and we continually harvest them and put them outside as they expand a little bit, and we've been saving all the seeds from the flower. Now all of these plants here are our wild leeks or ramps, and these are actually for sale at our local market, and we've sold quite a few of them, about 3 trays worth, and this is the last tray that we have, and they were all from seed that we saved from these leeks right here. So I've also got a very small leek in my hand, and I found it over in this bed with all of this crazy overgrowth behind me. And that was a bed that we've been eating off of for many months now. My son and I are always out here cooking, and we like to use these leeks as they contain a good daily dose of your macronutrients. Just 1 cup of leeks has about 54 healthy calories and about 1 gram of protein. Leeks also contain vitamins K, A, E, and B6. Those are all essential for our daily life. There is a lot of perks to growing leeks. They're basically a superfood in our eyes. Along with the vitamins, they contain manganese, copper, folate, and iron. There goes the baby dog, just causing havoc wherever she goes. She's on a mission chasing rabbits or something out there. Leeks also contain flavonoids, which are anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and anti-cancer. They have very good properties to them, and it's a very good part of a healthy diet. Now, before we get too far in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop us a comment if you find that we missed something about leeks. So we use them as a pest protection also. We use our Egyptian onions, chives, any type of green onion, and our leeks as a pest prevention. The sulfurs in the leaves themselves, that onion smell, actually prevents the pests from coming in. It really deters aphids and other leafy green eating critters. So we always keep leeks in the greenhouse. Let's grab the camera and move around here. We're not always stationary. So I've got all these decent starts to leeks that people can start their own perennial bed with. These survive the winter. They actually really do well in the greenhouse. This is going to be a huge flower. We've got a bunch of seeds to save from these leeks here. Now these are our wild leeks or ramps. And down here is, it's hard to see, but you can see the flowers on these. These have been here through the winter and they were retransplanted over. So we've got a nice leek stalk, all of the dead leaves as they unfurl. So we're going to be able to harvest some regular plain leeks. Lots of leeks up in the front row. We had a whole row of leeks up front that we will come and we cut them down at the base by the soil. We had a good row of leeks all up front in these mustards, kales, radishes, all types of good leafy greens in here that we were adding to our egg dishes and stuff as we cooked them on our stove in the greenhouse. So lots of seeds to be harvested, but what I wanted to share is that we come through and we will cut them at the base. Not when they're flowering, because they are not very good. They will be hard and woody, but when they are non-flowering and just in a vegetative state, we come through, cut them right at soil level so we can cut and harvest again. So we will be able to continually grow them just like a regular onion. If you leave the roots, it will keep growing. This bed has gone pretty wild on us here. There is just a ton of flowers, and we're going to let them flower, and we will save seeds from our mustards and our radishes and whatever else we can save. But with our leeks, once those flowers have black seeds in them, you can basically just cut it off and let it dry out and set it right over some type of container. So I am moving over here. I want to grab some fish food for my son's fish. I see him jumping around behind the camera here. Oh. Yep. They're coming out of the depths here. It's pretty warm out today. We don't have a whole lot of sunlight. Our biofilter isn't actually purging right now, but it is cleaning up the water quite a bit. I want to run down here real fast and check out to see if this bullfrog is still hanging out down here. He keeps jumping around. This bullfrog is absolutely massive. There he is. The camera doesn't do him justice. He's been hanging out, crunching down all of our yarrow between this tank and our goldfish pond down there. So we went from leeks to bullfrogs. There's just a lot going on in this greenhouse always, and with the doors open, we had a baby bunny rabbit hiding in here up in this patch of flowers now, but it's all food. So we've got a huge bush of lavender in here. Pretty exciting. As we see all of these nice flowers come off, we can save, harvest, and use all of those. So before this short video gets any longer than I wanted it to, we're going to let everybody go, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to grow yourself some leeks, great food source, and some good pest protection.